50 essential English phrases for daily use. 1. Hello. 2. Good morning. 3. Good afternoon. 4. Good evening. 5. How are you? 6. I'm fine, thank you. 7. What's your name? 8. My name is. 9. Nice to meet you. 10. Where are you from? 11. I'm from Brazil. 12. How old are you? 13. I'm 25 years old. 14. What do you do? 15. I'm a student. 16. What time is it? 17. Where is the bathroom? 18. How much is this? 19. Can you help me? 20. Do you speak English? 21. I don't understand. 22. Can you repeat? 23. I'm hungry. 24. I'm thirsty. 25. I would like. 26. Water, please. 27. The bill, please. 28. It's delicious. 29. I'd like to buy. 30. Too expensive. 31. Can I try it on? 32. Do you accept credit cards? 33. I'll take it. 34. Where is? 35. Turn left, right. 36. Is it far? 37. Where is the bus stop? 38. A ticket too, please. 39. Help. 40. Call the police. 41. I need a doctor. 42. I'm lost. 43. What's up? 44. No problem. 45. That's awesome. 46. I'm happy. 47. I miss you. 48. You're beautiful. 49. I'm tired. 50. I love you. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, check out the playlist and the website link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful. See you in the next lesson.